Okay. Ew, that was a bad laugh. Okay. If you couldn't tell, we're in my kitchen! So what are we gonna do for today's video? We're gonna cook. And it's just not any... Oh, I hate that. I hate that. Okay, so guys, this is not a normal, cooking video, even though I've never done a cooking video before. If you didn't know, now you know. Tomorrow's my birthday. Yes, today is my birthday eve. So that means that
I clearly don't know what I'm talking about.
So basically that means that all of my friends are out of town. Not all of them, but most of them are out of town. So I don't have really anything planned to do for my birthday. Like, I usually have some sort of, like, birthday celebration, right? Well, I can't do that this year since only, like, maybe 1 or 2 friends are in town. So, in honor of my birthday, I'm gonna make a cake. But not any type of cake. No. I'm making a pancake. Because it's currently 10:38 in the morning and I don't know how to make a real cake. Okay. Get ready the mashed potatoes. Maybe if I had a better layout right here. Hold, please. So we have our oil. We have our soy milk, I think. And we have an egg and my pancake mix. Let's get to cooking, all right? So something I just realized is, since it's my birthday, not what I just realized, what I just kind of made up in my head. Since I'm doing this for my birthday, I don't want to make a normal pancake, which means we're going to make a birthday pancake. You heard me, folks, a birthday pancake. I'm going to run to the store and get some sprinkles. I don't really know if, like, that'll throw off, like, the mixture in the pancake, but we'll see. And if it does, that sucks, and I'll still have to eat it. But I need sprinkles for this, and yeah, you're just gonna come with me. So let's go to the store. We got the sprinkles. All right, let's get to cooking because it is now 11:20 and I am starving. Okay.
Sometimes I just worry about myself because I seem to be having a rough time opening those sprinkles.
Oh wait, I am not supposed to take that off.
There you go.
There we go. So since I'm making one big pancake, we might have to adjust these measurements a little because I think these are supposed to make like more than one pancake. Let's mix these ingredients. Wait, what? Oh, I need 1 cup of this. 1 cup is a lot. That's this whole thing. No. I just want to make one big pancake, so so how are you doing? Great. Oh God. Okay, so like, what's half of 1 cup?
In this moment, I sound stupid, but I promise I will get there, okay?
I don't know.
I promise I know the answer.
Okay, wait, where is the 1 cup? Oh, what's 1/2 of 1 cup? And I put 2. That is a health code violation. I'm sorry about that. And since we are dairy-free over here, at least we try to be dairy-free over here, but dairy can be so good. We're gonna be using pea milk, right? I think it's plant-based, whatever that means. We just know that it's not gonna react bad in my body. Oh yeah, 3/4 is a lot. We are just freeballing this thing, okay? High school graduate knows what's going on. I think the milk is supposed to help this pancake rise. So we'll see about that. Here we go. That looks like enough. So now let's mix all the ingredients. Do y'all remember Cooking Mama? Like the Nintendo game where you had to cook with a mom? This is not looking great. Okay, but do y'all remember that cooking game called Cooking Mama? And like, if you made her upset, like if you didn't do things in like a timely fashion, or if you didn't like mix it perfectly, her eyes would like light on fire. And if you think I'm making this up, I'm not. I will insert a picture right here. I'm not a liar. So I was not great. I was actually pretty good at that game, but sometimes I would just mess with Cooking Mama and just like want to see her get upset because, you know what, it was entertaining to me and I don't regret that part of my life. I was like, what, 9? That may have caused future problems. Look at that batter. My goal is just to pour this whole thing of batter in a pan and like nothing else. It's time to make this pancake a birthday pancake. And you know what? I feel like this has been done before, so like, why wouldn't this work for me? But you know what? Maybe I should have just looked up how to... Whoa, that is way too many sprinkles. It's turning green and pink. Do you see that? I don't know if it looks green, but like I'll zoom it in for y'all. Please don't pay attention to my nails. I didn't put the egg in. My God, what am I doing today? Step 1, tap it on the paper towel. Step 2, get a little bit, you know, make it feel a little bit secure. And then with all the delicacy in your hand, just boom! Can I get an instant replay on that? Boom! Thank you. Wow, this looks just revolting. You know, we're just gonna put my cooking skills to the test in the pan. We need the biggest pan. We're gonna let this stand for 1 or 2 minutes. So I'm gonna put this on like 1 minute, 30 seconds. So we're just gonna sit here and wait. Just kidding. So, since this is my birthday video, technically, I thought we talk a little bit about birthdays. So, since I'm 18, I have a couple birthdays underneath my belt. So, let me tell you about probably the most memorable present that I ever got for my birthday. I think it was like my High School Musical themed birthday. Don't look at me like I'm stupid. We've all had a High School Musical themed birthday. So, anyway, so we were in my basement. My cousin came over to like give me my present. The present was like this interactive CD. So we had like a CD like stereo thing in the basement. So she connected it to the CD. She got me like this personalized Barney CD. She played it for me and it was like,
"Hey guys, it's Barney!"
And it was like,
"I heard that it's Brianna's birthday! Happy birthday, Brianna!"
And like when they played that, I kid you not, I ran out of the room. I was so scared. I was like,
why does the dinosaur know my name? Why is the dinosaur talking? Where's the dinosaur coming from?
I was so horrified, man. I was running around screaming, and I think me being triggered my other friends, and my other friends started screaming. So if you're a mom watching this, like, maybe don't buy a Barney interactive CD for your like 5-year-old child. All right, that's my PSA. I'm just gonna put some oil in there, and we're just gonna, let's just get out our handy dandy spatula. Okay. Oh, there's too much oil. This is not cute at all. Even if it has any potential of tasting good, it definitely does not now because it looks just gross. Musical fiddle. Okay, wait. We may be getting somewhere. Oh my God, wait. We're forming a pancake. Look. We are forming a pancake. It's not pretty, but we are forming it and we might be succeeding at something. I forgot I have to flip this pancake over, and there's a lot of grease in here. Oh no! All right, flipping it over. Oh my God, this is going great! Instead of making yourself a cupcake, make yourself a pancake. I think our pancake might be done. We faked it till we maked it, okay? I wasn't sure if, like, you know, my calculations would be correct. I was not. You ready for this? Oh my gosh. That is a success right there. Let me get a montage. I'm sure you're wondering, Brianna, you have your fork and you have your knife, but why do you have a lighter? Good question, viewer. So I have a lighter because I bought candles because this is a birthday pancake. And you know what? We're not going to let this wish go to waste. We're not going to let this pancake go to waste.
Here we go.
Jeez.
It's okay.
What the heck?
I almost got it.
Okay. And I also bought a birthday hat. Why are birthday hats like this? Like, who came up with this design? It's not very attractive. Okay, just saying. And yet I'm going to put it on. Happy, 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 happy birthday to me. That's all I came up with. Don't judge me. And if you're cringing, I'm sorry. Let's make up a birthday wish. Now it's time to eat the cake. It's fluffy. That's it. That is it. If you look up the word "it" on the internet, this pancake will indeed show up. I'm just letting you know, so don't Google it. Just take my word for it. Okay, just take my word for it. Don't exit out of this video and look up the word "it" because I have proof right here and I will put a picture up, okay? Syrup. Overall, great experience. I am satisfied. I don't even have to have a birthday anymore. I was not expecting this to go well. So that's just a lesson for you guys. Today's lesson, believe in yourselves, okay? Crazy things can happen. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you're back for my next video next week. Make sure to wish your mom and dad a happy birthday and maybe make them these pancakes. Don't make them these pancakes. They might be a little bit disappointing. I guess I will catch you guys on the flippity flip. Bye. The weird thing is that sprinkles have no taste. But we're not going to get into that right now.